What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Boy, that joker, boy, she burned the mess out of me just then. Man, today is a beautiful day, so why not get in traffic, man? The past few weekends, man, I ain't been seeing nothing but old school riding. Like, y'all know I done went to Summit like 2 days in a row. Man, old school everywhere. Like, this the time to ride. If you got these old cars, this the time to ride, man. It's so pleasant through the daytime, man. You pull them jokers out and ride, man. So, I got R&B. I got R&B out, man. I'm finna hit the streets, man. I'm finna hit the streets. I'm gonna pull up on Cuzzo for a little bit, see what he got shaking, man. We're gonna pull up on Cuzzo, and what else? I got something else to do. I was gonna drive it up the Summit today, but I said I'm so over going to Summit this week, cause I've been like 2 days back to back. I said I ain't going today, so I just ordered what I need to order. But ooh, she clean, but she a little dusty, but she alright. She alright, man. She look good, bro. So I'm finna pull up on Cuzzo, see what he got shaking today, man. See what we gonna get into. Y'all know we always find something to get into. And we're gonna see what happens. Boy, look at that. Boy, what is that? It's your, boy, you got that. Boy, it be all type of stuff out here, boy. But anyway, man, we finna roll, y'all. Alright, y'all, checking in, man. Y'all see I pulled up on Cuzzo. Nice little trip, R&B. Gave y'all some B-roll, man, cruising around, hitting blocks and all that. Gave y'all some music and stuff, but about to help Cuzzo with this. I'm finna lay it out for him, so when he gotta get a cord. He got a box, newer style box. We got some cutting with. Cut the like some nips. Yeah. All right. He got a newer style box, so we're gonna run it through, then I'm gonna lay all the wires out. So then when he get ready to hook it up, you just hook it up. So said MLD 6L box. Did what you got, the harness. So you got your heavy red, heavy black wire. They already got ends on. These go straight to your battery. So you know these right here go straight on your battery. So black, negative go on the negative, red go on the positive. Those are thick, but you'll know cause they thick. Obviously, you don't put no thin wires on no battery like that. So the pickup. Now I'm telling y'all the way to do it. If you got a blaster coil, an MSD blaster coil, external coil, you don't know where the coil is. The coil is right here on top of the distributor. Now, if you got a 2-pin or 3-pin module in the distributor, you know, you'll have to wire it up in there, and then you run your pickup wire. Where it's at. Which it come with that too, but Cuzzo didn't get that cause he don't need it. But cause this is a replacement harness. But where is it? Here it is. So it come with that. It come with that green and violet wire. That's your pickup. That's if you running the coil on the distributor, ATI. So you'll get that. You wire it up. The instructions will tell you how to do it accordingly, but I'm saying for blaster coil. So blaster coil, you don't need that. That won't be used. So then you got these, your orange and black wire. Right here. Orange and black. Black always go on negative, and then your orange go on the positive side of the blaster coil. So when you get a blaster coil, man, it's gonna have a plus and a minus. Orange go on the plus, the black go on the minus side. That's for your blaster coil. So we got battery, negative, positive, negative on battery, just straight on the post. Blaster coil, blaster 2, blaster 3 coil, and depending on your distributor, if you got an MSD Pro billet distributor, you're gonna use the wire. They're gonna be different. But if you got a ready to run distributor, you'll use the white wire. You'll use the white wire, and it'll tie into 12 volts. And that's what this red wire for. This red wire goes on 12 volt ignition. So anything that come on with the switch, so this actually turn your box on. And I'm gonna tell y'all, the plug that go in the distributor, that plug up underneath, the B plus, that little end about this tall, that's 12 volt ignition. So you can actually run this to that. You can run this wire to that, and it'll be straight. It'll turn your box on. And that's it, man. That's it. It's just that simple. So we're gonna lay this out. What is it? Yeah. And then it'll be straight. It's gonna be laid out. All you gonna have to do is just plug and play. So that's my little MLD hookup explanation, y'all. So y'all just stay tuned. Oh yeah. Hey y'all, check this out, man. Man, cuz out here working with it. This man got a hidden gem here, boy. I just talking about it. I said, hey man. I said, man, I need these, man. Truck camera, man. Look what he got. Boy, I just talking about these in the vlog, boy. I said, these don't work. These the 104s I was telling y'all about. If you know, you know. This man got a whole heap of them over here, boy. They're buried treasure right there, boy. I need them.
All of them still work.
He got, how many you got?
I got about 6 of them.
Shoot, boy. Hey, you ain't need with 2.
I got to keep 2 of them, though.
Yeah, he got to keep 2. Yeah, man. He said I could get 2 of them, man. I appreciate Cuzzo for that, for real, boy. I just telling y'all, Cardolo ain't got no front speaker or meat. So I said, man, I'm put 2 of them in, and I probably gonna put them in meat, cause I'm still getting Dolo situated. But I like, boy, he put me in the game. But we trying to feed the Hornet through that hole down at the bottom, that small one. But we trying to see where it's turning, so I can pull it up through. I gotta find it. It's so dark. Uh-oh. Joker fell off, boy. Marine fell off. You got to get that. Hold on. Hey, boy, Kendall come take the whole motor out, boy. Look, Marine man off. Hey, that don't slip off, boy. She's like, where's it? I like, hey, we got to find it, boy. Kendall wife get real, boy. I got to get that. It hit in the header though, cause it didn't.
You didn't cut the ground something like that?
Nah, it didn't touch the ground. But yeah, we gon' there you go. Where it went. Went rolling. Well, we finna find that. And then we're gonna find out what it alright. We're gonna find what it's still on the car. Yep. We're gonna find out where that Hornet going to, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Alright. We got it through. Cause he put his eyes on it when I start moving around. So we got it through right here. Now you can pull a little more, cuzzo. Yeah. So he pulling right now. It is? Oh, yeah. It was on the zip tie. All right. So now we good. He got a new box. Gonna put it right here with a computer. Like he said, man, we really need to take this out one day. The factory stuff, but we have to take the fender out to do it right. Not the fender, I'm sorry, y'all. The fender well, like I did wifey car. Then he'll get rid of that. Have that plug. But right now, we getting situated. The new box. So that's good right there. Gonna set him up like that so he can still get to the thing standing up. Hey, cuzzo. We'll stand it up like right here. Like that right here. So then you can still get to your dial. Like you move the thing, so have it stand up. The plug come in like that. Like that right there. Then the plug come in from the top. You know, it'll be low though. Then the plug come in from the top. Then you take the thing out, still get to your rail limit. Alright, gonna lay these wires out, y'all. Alright, we back, man. Back at the house. Just let Cuzzo holler, man. I chilled out there with him all day, man. Y'all know how we do it. I ain't had nothing going on. Pretty day, man. Cuzzo was just chilling. We just pulled up, we just chilled, man. And we got some stuff done. It spurred the moment, you know, went playing. And any way I can help Cuzzo out, man, I try to help him out and stuff. So, you know, he trying to get his wires straight and all that, man. So, like I said, he got him a new harness. And I was like, man, should I lay it out for you? We try to help him get straightened out. I thought I had an alternator over here. We could have made a one wire, but I ain't got now, man. That'll fit the bracket. So we're gonna get that all situated. But shoot, I got a one belt system, man. I need to go pick up from my buddy Dan. I bought the Joker 2-3 years ago, man. But Dan still held it for me, man. So I appreciate him. Had paid him for a long time, but they're my guy, man. He got a supercharged S10 too, man. I need to link up with him one day. We've been meaning to link up and ride and stuff. Hit some block, man. I need to pull up on him in brown coat. But I got a serpentine set up that I probably won't use. So man, I might see about we throw it on Cuzzo car. I gotta see what all it got. I think it need a power steering pump and stuff too. But then we can use the alternator I got. Or whatever. But I don't know, man. We're gonna hook something up. I just pull up on him today, man. Like I said, have a good day. Chill day, got some B-roll for y'all. I thought I was gonna get some turn up footage, man, but I ain't hit it or none of that, man. I was just chilling, man, playing the R&B, man, the slow jam. Listen to good old school today, just vibing and all of that. But we back to work this week, man. We back to the action. I got an intake on the way for Grandma Nana, a better intake. Like I said, the intake that combination was off of Grandma Nana, man. So the car, what I done to it, man, it gonna go fast. I guarantee, man. I'm downsizing everything, downside the intake, carburetor, all of it. And I'm gonna have that reveal coming probably tomorrow. So we're gonna do engine reveal on Grandma Nana tomorrow. Parts will be coming in and stuff. Should have some stuff getting done in the Dolo, and I should have some stuff coming in for me. So gonna be a busy week, man. Gonna be a busy but good and productive week and all of that, man. So you know, we just gonna stay on it. So yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.